It's Ryan and me and Zachary. I'm on. Okay, hey.
Yeah, I'll get it.
It's stopped.
Yeah, I know, Mom uses a lot of tape. Santa Claus uses a lot of tape. Another ball? Oh my.
Hey, Ryan.
See, I'm swimming in the toys.
Hey! Whoa!
It's okay.
Zachary, be nice.
I know it. Now it's my turn.
Give me that paper you dropped.
Where?
I think you stepped on it. Lift your foot.
My foot?
Yeah, there we go. Daddy got it.
I look, it's good. I got that.
Oh, you balanced it. Good job. Alright, Zachary, your turn.
Oh, cool. Alright.
Show Mom.
Right here. I got it. Ah! Woody! It's Woody!
It's Woody? Is it Space Mission Woody?
Yes! Oh, well, I got messed up. Oh! Shit. Oh, I did. Here. That is Woody.
He go with this?
What? Where?
Does he go with that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I got a new guitar.
Alright. Can you open this one for Baby Ryan? Here, open that one up for Baby Ryan.
Where? The big one?
Yeah, the big one for Baby Ryan.
And then?
Turn around so Mama can see.
Wait.
I think Baby Ryan's happy.
He is happy. He said, you gave me my first toy and I was so happy.
Wow!
What is it?
I didn't know.
Is it a play tent?
No, it's a plate.
Okay, sorry.
Buddy. Touch Mom.
Oh, I see. That's very cool.
Your turn?
Yes!
Okay, hold on.
Not yet. Wait.
Zachary? That is for you.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
Turn around, touch Mom.
It's Rex!
It's Rex.
What you doing, Baby Ryan?
Family. It's not my family. My family's my favorite. My family on the kitchen. That's my one. But there's other ones. So now around to me.
I don't know. Let's see. This one's to Zachary.
Me?
Uh-huh.
Cool. Oh.
You turn around, Zachary. I can't see you.
Wow, I got Max.
Who is that?
Max.
It's Max?
Yes.
Are we sure? Yep, you're right. It's Max Schnell.
That's my favorite Max.
Is it charge up?
Yeah.
Cool.
Berries.
Yeah.
He's died. Instead of that, you know, make him go.
Alright, let's see. This one's to Zachary.
And me?
Yeah.
I got
I don't know. Let's see what you got. Santa Claus brought all this. I don't know what you got, buddy.
Whoa!
Yeah.
I got Raul.
You got Raul. That's right.
Oh.
Do you like him?
Yeah. My toys.
All right. Let's see if Ryan likes this one.
Oh, yeah.